All right, we got here, besides a garage full of yard sale shit, is one trench coat and one scary mask and one chainsaw with no blade. Taking the chain off in case we don't want nobody getting hurt. Anyways, I'm going to invade my own house through the back door when no one's expecting it.
Way to go, Peter.
Nice. Way to go. You never loved him.
Alright, let's see you guys a little bit.
You get a gold medal. For what? The greatest kind of test ever. Oh my god, don't waste your... Oh no, they're full batteries.